racist 11 instead of what January 6th really was, the F Constitution. You frontline workers for refusing to take an experimental gene therapy.
Just passed away, but they didn't. When we started out, they weren't calling it genocide from your parents on that day. But if there was 10 of us, it went 12, and so I'm very clear that it is genocide.
Said, growth comes through. I'm aligning everything perfectly in my time. I asked, my strength is made perfect. I asked God, what if I fail? Asked, why do I feel so alone? Amen. If you receive this message, comment I believe and share.